When you ask, you do not receive, because you ask with the wrong motives, that you may spend what you get on your own pleasure. James 4:3. J'ai aussi écrit ça en français, si tu lis pas en anglais. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy making it. God bless. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my page, hey, how are you doing? My name is Affy Elizabeth, and I'm all about the hair, the makeup, and of course the fashion. Today's video, we're going to be doing a work casual type of video. Si c'est ton première fois dans ma page, oui, ma sœur, je parle aussi français. Je suis congolaise, hein? Je parle aussi français. Hit that notification bell button si c'est ton première fois. Faut pas oublier de subscribe. Cliquez sur subscribe. Je sais pas comment on dit ça en français. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment je vais m'habiller avec les traînées décontractées pour le travail. J'espère que je dis ça bien. Most of these outfits I'll leave down below where I got them from my size, and the goodies. So let's just get started because I'm talking too much. I'm sorry, ma. I'm gonna stop talking, you feel me, and we gonna get this popping. Alright? Alright. See you at the end of the tunnel. Bye. So outfit number one is this cute yellow top. C'est vraiment joli, hein? Moi, c'est qui tout cool, hein? And I paired it off with my distressed jeans that I thrifted and I distressed myself. If you work at a business place where you can't wear holy jeans, my go-to is always the one hose, okay, and it's always around the knees, no above than that. So my shirt, I got it from Burlington. I love this shirt because we work with the shoulders. You see them shoulders? We work with the shoulders. It give me that shoulder padding, And I paired it off with a blazer, and just to give it that I'm here to work, but I'm also here to stand out. Hein? Tu as dit quoi? Pardonnez-moi, je te comprends pas. Ma facho, hein? Ma fouzi style, ça parle beaucoup pour moi-même. So, yeah, so basically this is how it looks. You can add it with a necklace if you want, but it's up to you. But the earrings, for me, is enough. That's enough. If I wear, like, crazy earrings, I basically, ooh, girl, work it. I basically like to keep it simple around the neck, either no necklace or, you get it. So I paired them off with these shoes right here. I used to hate heels that were that short, but now I'm, like, in love with them. So the outfit looked quite simple, but yet again casual, but yet again I'm also here to show out, stand out, what's goody, Yeah, so this is outfit number one. Outfit number two, we went with a nice, I don't know, I'm getting the 90s vibe with this. I found this at Burlington, and it's a large, and I wanted it to feel, a lot more comfortable and not too tight on me. So the shirt does it all. I love shirts like these. And I paired them off with these shoes, of course, jeggings. I forgot that these jeggings didn't have pockets, and they worked out really well. And I hit them off with a nice blazer. I believe I got this blazer at Zara. I can't remember. If you want, you can wear it all the way like this. I like this baggy look with the skinny jeans. It's perfect, okay? J'adore cette facho ici. Toujours méga un peu, hein? Yes. Hit them off with the nice earrings, not on a necklace. Like I said, if my earrings is enough, I don't need the necklace. As long as I got some bracelet, a watch, rings, I'm goody. And then, if you want to, give it that nice, what's goody? You look cute. Hit up with the belt, okay? What am I talking about? The belt does great for something so simple. You can put the belt inside or outside. I like it inside. And, yeah, this is how it looks. Moi, si kitoko, mama. Outfit number three, I believe. I don't know. The next outfit is a khaki. These khakis, I thrifted them in the men's section, and I got the shirt, I believe, in TJ Maxx. I can't remember. We are losing. We getting slim out here. And yeah, so they're men's, and the shirt is females, I believe. And I paired them off with some loose around the neck necklace and the earrings. You see what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And for casual, you can dress these pants down. They're basically dress up shoes, but you can dress them down. You can also dress them up. I'm going to dress them down with some Reebok. Okay, with some Reebok. And this is how it's going to look. I like outfits like these because it's like simple, like nude on top of nude or 10 on top of 10. We're going to call it nude on top of nude parce que tout se chauffe comme jamais. Yes. So yeah, I got the chain hang low, does it wobble to the floor, through the sun in the night, and that purple wizard go. Anyway, I'm gonna layer this outfit up with a blazer that I got from H&M, and we looking good, we looking professional, we're also looking casual AF, okay, and we're on the go. You feel me? Add some earrings for some good staple. You can close it up, you can unbutton it. I like pulling my sleeves. Most of my blazer, I pull my sleeves, depends on how it looks. And this is the look, huh? On dit quoi, hein? On dit quoi? Je peux pas na coquillote petit. Ah, la style is omega, hein? It's omega makasi. Next outfit, I love this dress. I was about to let it go, and then the Holy Spirit was like, get the dress. I'm going to teach you how to wear it. So bam, we got the dress. It's a nice, really simple, but yet again, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. I added some nice earrings that I found at CVS. I didn't know CVS sold jewelries, okay? Wow. So yeah, I got those earrings, and then I got the necklace, I believe, at H&M or probably some store, TJ Maxx or Target, I don't remember. And paired them off with some Stan Smith. Fashion staple, fashion statement, a must-have is a Stan Smith in your closet. Hit them off with some denim jacket, okay, a nice vest. I thought vests were out of style until I was like, you know what? We gonna keep it just in case. I got this jacket like years ago, got it years ago, and now I see its worth. It makes me feel like a cheerleader. All this thing, JEF. What we spelling? Nothing. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. Nice, layered on top, perfect. Next outfit is this nice. We paired it off with some hoops. Okay, hoops, bowling. And it's this nice dress up long sleeve long sleeve that I got from H&M. Paired them off with some nice dress pants slash khaki slash dress pants that I got from Burlington. And yeah, I didn't know how to these pants were kind of tricky, and then I paired them off with these shoes right here, also from Burlington. And yeah, this is how it looks. You can dress them two different ways. Yes, girl, you look cute. I know you look cute. Yes, you could either wear the long sleeve shirt, blouse, the correct word for it, the blouse like this, or if you don't like them like that, you can, have some sense. Okay, those are only for real fashion sense people that wear like that. But no judging you. You can wear them like this, and this is how it looks. Add a hoop. If you want to wear earrings, you can, but I like to be professional, so I will button that part up, okay? Because I don't want no titties flying nowhere. And yeah, this is how it looks. Plain and simple, ready to go. So my next outfit is North Carolina. Throw your hands up, take your shirt off, wrap around your head just like a helicopter. I had to. My UNC, okay? You can wear a skirt with a shirt, okay? And today we're going to pair it up with my yellow, blue, and feelers. Okay, so I try to match the shoes was like red, blue, and yellow, perfect for this outfit. So that's what I did. I paired up this shirt with this beautiful dress skirts that you can dress down, and I hit it off with a red blazer. So basically it's like a what's up, I don't know my colors today. I just want to look like a nice chocolate rainbow, okay? And hit them off with some studs. And this is how it looks. Basically, what I'm trying to show you is you can wear a skirt with a graphic tee or whichever shirt you like. But basically, that's how well, what am I trying to say? I don't know, guys. Just watch the video. If you like the outfit, let me know. But that's what I'm trying to show you guys, that you can wear a skirt with a t-shirt, okay? So the next outfit is this nice sleeveless, it's actually a bodysuit, and I paired them off with some shorts that I created on my own because I don't like shorts nowadays. And if you, oh yeah, with some studs. If you work at an office area and you can't wear the shorts that most people wear, you can go to the thrift store and buy some man jeans and cut them off. That's what I did. And I added this blazer because I'm not a fan of sleeveless tops. I like to cover, you know, my arms. I don't know, it's like a modest thing in my mind. And I paired them off with this nice blazer that I got from Zara, I want to say. I have too many black blazers. I believe this one is from Zara, and I got these shoes at Burlington. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks really nice. I'm a big geek when it comes to rolling my sleeves. So you can roll your sleeve however way you want. That's me. Why am I yelling at y'all? I don't know. Hit them off with some glasses. By the way, these glasses are from Fumu. If you ever, want to purchase some, go ahead. And this is how it look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Mwasi kitoko. Now I'll see you guys in my next. Bye, guys.